Hi friends, in the previous video we have seen the some new features that has been added in the math object, right? And for the string object also we have some new methods added in the ES6. If you want to know more about the string methods and other things, as I already told you, you can go to the Mozilla Developer Network and you can see all the string methods that are available. But which are mostly I will be using methods, so I will write it here. So mostly the method what I will be using in the ES6 features, that new features added, right? So I will be using these three methods. I will be using, for example, this I have let my name is equal to, let's assume that I have Leela. Okay, I have Leela. Okay, now I will try to check console.log whether my name starts with, okay, we have a new method that is called as starts with le or not. Okay, the starts with the name itself implies that it starts with le or not. Let's check. So my name starts with le, so whether checks whether it returns true or not, we will check here. If I try to run, I'm getting it as true, so that means it is checking that one. So now what I will try to check is, I will try to check whether this one follows the case sensitive or not. If I try to check that whether this follows the case sensitive or not, if I write LE small, if I click here, I'm getting it as false. So that means, so this one is following the case sensitive, and also this method checks whether the word starts with LE or the starting words or not. It will check. For example, if I write LEL, okay, it's starting with LE but not L. So whether it will return true or not, we'll check. If I try to check, it is returning false. So that means my name is starts with L E rather than LEL. So that is the reason it is returning false. Same as starts with whether, we also have another method that is nothing but, you can assume ends with. Okay, so ends with, I will try to check with the LA. So I will check whether this one ends with LA or not. If I try to run, what it will show, it is returning true. Fine, correct. And I will, whether we will check here whether it supports the case sensitive or not. I am trying to check LA, and here it is returning false. Okay, so that means starts with checks whether the word starts with the first string or not. It will check. L ends with will check whether the matching string is there, in the matching words are there in the at the end of the string or not. It will check. So we have the methods to check starting and the ending. So if you want to check in the between thing, so how can I check? So for that one also we have another method called as includes. Okay, includes will check whether this method, whether the words is present in the string or not. Will check. For example, I will check with le. Okay, so this one is starting. Actually this one is starting. This is not in the middle. Whether this one will return true or false, we'll check. If I try to run, it is returning true. So that means it will check from first to last rather than checking in the between the things, leaving that first and last letters, leaving that. It will like that, it will not check. It is checking all the string. And now I will try to check here in the middle of this one whether this one supports or not. If I try to check run, I am returning true. So that means, so it is checking in between the string, so the words are matching or not. Let's check whether this one is supports uppercase or not. So case sensitive or not, we'll check. So I am writing it as EL, and I will try to check this one, and we are returning it as false. So that means, so this includes also is a case sensitive. So this one capital EL will not return true if we finds the small letters also. So these are the three methods, starts with, ends with, and includes, which you find it more useful in the application. You can think that we can use the regular expression, and we can find in the, what we can say, in the string we can use the regular expressions pattern that may execute, and all those things we can use it, right? So we can use those things, you can think. But just I am telling you, you can, if you know the regular expressions, if you are comfortable with regular expressions, you can use that regular expressions. Or otherwise you can use the starts with and ends with and includes things, which comes in the ES6 as a new methods in the string object. And also other methods are also there, so which you can find it in the Mozilla Developer Network, so that I can't explain everything in the video. So I explained which I find it more useful in my application while writing, so I told you. So if you have doubts or any suggestions, please post the comment below to this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.